Hi everybody, it's Stephen Kowalczyk, the cocktail chef, and today we're going to make a coconut water drink with vodka. So, what we're going to do is we're going to do something interesting and fun. We're going to make a classic cocktail, which is called a Negroni, and what we're going to do is we're going to soften it a little bit with coconut water. So it's a very strong, intense cocktail, but the coconut water should tone it down, soften it. Coconut water has a really soft flavor, similar to aloe vera juice, and works great in cocktails. It's light, you won't know what's in there, but there's something smooth and just really nice for the palate in the cocktail itself. So, that being said, let's make something great and go from there. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to build this cocktail in our highball glass. So first I'm going to start with ice. We're going to ice this glass up. It's going to be equal portions of sweet vermouth, Campari, which is grapefruit liqueur, and we're going to use vodka. Normally gin is used in a Negroni, but we're going to use Boyd & Blair vodka. It's fantastic. It definitely will represent the right way for this cocktail. Then, of course, to soften it, because this is a very intense cocktail, we're going to use coconut water. We're going to start with the Boyd & Blair vodka. We're going to do 3/4 ounce of each. So we're going to do 3/4 ounce of our vodka, 3/4 ounce of our Campari, and 3/4 ounce of our sweet vermouth. There we go. All right. So now what we want to do is we want to add, I'd say 3/4 ounce of our coconut water, and it's going to soften up beautifully. So then what we want to do on top of this is add an orange peel. So basically I'm just going to take a nice thin slice of the skin off of an orange, and as you can see it's super thin. I'm going to squeeze that on top, rub it on the rim, place it in the glass. Now, the key with this is we want to stir. We want to bring the temperature of this cocktail down, but at the same time, we don't want to add air to it, so we want to slosh it around. We want those oils to permeate the cocktail and create something that is beautiful, complex, sophisticated, the great kind of cocktail that you can enjoy and will definitely be the highlight to any party. So there you have a coconut water drink made with vodka. Enjoy.